Hi everyone and welcome. Today let's bake hot cheese and ham breakfast sandwiches. The best thing about these sandwiches is that you can use the ingredients you like. To make the sandwiches, I will use 6 slices of whole grain bread, approximately 30 grams of butter, 1 medium-sized tomato, 5 small pickles, 80 grams of smoked turkey slices, approximately 200 grams of shredded cheese, 2 eggs, black pepper, and salt. Set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and insert parchment paper or a silicone baking mat in a baking tray. Spread butter on top of each slice of the bread and put them on the baking tray. Cut the tomato and pickles into small pieces. Cut also the turkey slices. Mix the shredded cheese and eggs in a bowl. Add some black pepper and salt. Now we're ready to assemble the sandwiches. On each of the slices, put some turkey, then tomatoes and pickles. On top, put the egg and cheese mix. Put the sandwiches in the oven to bake for approximately 15 minutes till the bread is toasted and the cheese has melted. Remove the baking tray from the oven, let the sandwiches cool for a few minutes, and enjoy your breakfast.